today's job is we are going to, you might have seen before, Dave The Bastards Silverado out the front. He's sat there with no motor in it at the minute.
You got no air in the tyre either.
No air in the tyre, so we are going to drag it in over the weekend, which is now. It's actually lunchtime.
Halfway through the weekend.
Halfway through the weekend. And we've got a spare big block.
We're going to bosh out it quick, didn't we?
Yeah,
quick job,
yeah. It had a small block in it. We're going to smash a big block in it. And then I think what we're going to do is do a tug-of-war. We're going to tug-of-war.
I got a feeling that's the only wee bit in this episode.
Yeah, we're going to tug-of-war small Silverado with a big block against the Julie with a big block.
The little one with the big one.
The half cab on the
big
crew
one with
cab.
the big one.
Yeah. So let's get out and have a look at it.
All right, get out and you can put this engine in. I'll start mopping it.
Alrighty then. This is what we've got to work with. So this is Dave's truck that you might have seen before in the videos. And yeah, it's looking pretty sorry for itself.
Come in for a misfire.
Misfire?
Come in for a misfire. Misfire.
And what did I have it? A 350 small block?
350 small block on that horrible dual point injection. We did put a carb on it for a short while. The motor was hanging. Absolutely hanging. The heads were destroyed.
Shaking.
I can't remember how we left it. Okay, so the engine's in. Welcome back, and everything went fine. Here we go.
Oh yeah, as you can see, it's not had a motor in there for a little while. So, the big block has come out of a race Corvette that we put a new Jeff Ball big block in.
Cutaway.
And now we're gonna take the old big block out and put in this, which obviously it wasn't meant for a big block, and then we're gonna do some stonking burnouts and donuts and tug-of-war with the big Julie. That's what we're gonna do, aren't we? All this weekend, but it's already, I haven't got my phone. You got your phone?
Yeah.
What time is it?
I don't know, it's in the workshop.
It's in the workshop.
Two,
Tell them.
2 o'clock on Saturday.
2 o'clock on a Saturday, and we want to be doing a tug-of-war tomorrow evening, yeah?
I'm keen to do a tug-of-war this morning.
All
That's
right.
how fast we're gonna go.
I'd be good if you fucking turned up this morning.
Right, we need to get in the workshop.
Right, yeah, list what we need to do. We need to get it in the workshop, we need to tow it round, we need to obviously get the big block in, so we're gonna have to change the exhaust as well, because that's, because small block and big block are different.
We don't need exhaust.
The old gearbox will go on the new motor, yeah?
Yeah.
What else, what other problems are gonna be?
I don't know, you missed half of the stuff out between every one of them points. Start again.
We're gonna put the motor in.
Then, we're gonna have a thatch.
Oh yeah, I have a thatch in between each
We're gonna
check.
connect the exhaust.
We need a checkboard. So are we supposed to
Then
write
we're
this
gonna
down?
have
Yeah,
thatch.
we need a bit of cardboard. We need to make a list.
All
Let's
right.
make a list. He likes
That's the
making
speciality,
lists.
innit?
All right.
Right, let's work out getting this into the workshop then. We're going to get the tyre pumped up and we're going to dump it in the yard and start digging out the big block and all the other bits that we got, and also figure out the bits that we haven't got that we're going to need to try and find between now and tomorrow. Or make. But these tyres, I got a feeling, by tomorrow evening, they're not going to look like that. Ricky Bobby!
What?
You need to sort out the tow vehicle, because if we use the Silverado, we're going to get stuck in the yard and we're not going to be able to get it out.
So you want something small?
To tow it, because if we use this, it's going to be too long in the yard. We'll get stuck. It'll be halfway on the road.
I'll find something. I'll find something. Oh, runner. You won't want to put it on nothing English. All right.
What kind of tow wagon is that? For fuck's sake. That'll probably do it there, I reckon. Fuck me, it's hot in here.
Struggled with that there, didn't she?
It was the worst tow I've ever had. We only went from there to here.
Well done, Ricky Bobby.
It's hot. It's smoky,
It's truck
it's
on
noisy.
4/4, the truck in the yard.
The mirrors are folded in. I couldn't see any cyclists.
Nothing's hit. I don't. Job done.
That's the first one off the list. Now let's have a cider.
Yeah.
We better go find the bits. Let's open the container. Let's find the bits we took off, and then let's go dig the big block out.
Don't film
Here's
from
the
the
big
back,
block.
Sam.
Here's the big block out the Corvette. Just like that. Oh, back to you.
You zoomed in then, didn't you? You zoomed in. You
I
were
did.
like, big block, I think they're more interested in that big shoulder hanging out.
I didn't need to zoom in.
It's nerve damage, alright?
Yeah, not mine.
My fucking nerves. That's not starting right then, is it?
That's how we're going to start it on the front. Straight on the front there.
I like this page called Dangerous Grinder Attachments. Yeah.
Did someone throw the pork pie out that was sat there for about 12 months? He was stinky.
Right, let me get the container key stand. We'll open up and find what we've got.
Have a look in
Radiator. Shit, gearbox down there. Have you seen that?
Have a look.
Gearbox, which has been rebuilt, and the torque converter. So American clutch, yeah. Right, yeah. Let me open the container. No, there's nothing in there. That's his prop. That's his rad. Old stuff.
Rad.
Power steering, alternator,
Water pump.
water pump. That's going to fit on the. So, right, all right. Yeah, we'll drag some of this stuff out and see what we're missing and see what we need.
There we go.
Oh, don't take any of the bits with you then. Yeah, don't take any of the bits with you. All right, I'll carry these then. Here is Dave's old headers. Obviously, small block headers, so they're close together. So they're not. I'll put it on the right side. No one coming out. I'm not putting a turbo on it. They're not going to work. But see, that's not going to happen. But despite we've got an old header up there, which looks beat to pieces and horrible. So if I can find the other one, we might be able to graft those
What,
up
is there two?
and make them work. We're going to need two. Yeah, this just meant to Atmos on this side. Oh yeah, they're horrible.
That's not a patch then. That'll work.
That's going to be handsome, isn't it? Obviously,
Do you think it was
we've
clear?
got some sort of chassis issue to sort out. We might have to look at.
What about
If I
steering?
can find the other one, it's better than what we've got. I mean, we haven't got any others, so, and we want to do burnout. Both of them doing burnouts. So let's have a look in the truck. What we got? Scrap. Got more cowling. I think that's basically it. I don't know what are these. Are these off of it? Are these off something else? No, they're going to be off it, aren't they? Alright, let's find
this is
some
gonna
bits
be
and then we
bad.
can actually start doing some work. So now I'm getting pissy. So we have a cider and then have a look. Yes.
And a
Alright, we'll have
pasty.
a cider and have a look.
Opacity.
You going to open that then or what?
Well, I don't want to be the first one.
Someone's got to be the first one. Look, we've got all this stuff out. The truck's outside. Have a thatch.
And straight
Who's
in,
left the car in the way?
straight into the RX-7.
The RX-7's got a gay small block in it.
Oh, we can get past. Oh yeah, I suppose.
Alright. You're doing a fine job, brother. Are you thinking same as I?
Fuck me, he's Jamaican now.
Drop slug in here.
Yeah, I think that's what we should do.
Cross member in, no bolted, just hold the tail of them.
Yeah.
Make a bit of room around the back, and tug them around a bit more. Try and get the RX out of the way somehow. And then we'll put the dollies on the rear wheels and give them the woofa and getting in the workshop.
See how we get on here.
What, you think that slug ain't gonna fit?
I was going to go in and we'll just part it to it. And then
I think
I didn't like the way
if
you've
you
done
turned
that
it.
thing. Let's see how we get on here. It's really nice weather.
It's nice weather. We're going to put the engine in, we're going to bolt all the ancillaries on, put the headers on, and we're going to do a burnout.
This is the problem.
He's
What?
ginger. Now he's red.
Oh yeah, you can't go out in the sunshine.
This isn't happening. Slug in, car in.
Alright,
Alright.
alright. Let me move this.
Next time, order some damn white t-shirts.
How is it in a matte black car on a really hot day?
It's so fucking hot in here. I can't even tell you how hot it is.
Well, I can see that the windows are warping.
Oh, fuck me! That's the hottest thing in the world in there! I can't even tell you how hot that is, Dan! Fucking hell! Ah,
You're red.
that's hot! Right, let's get this engine in.
I heard just a minute ago how nice it was out here. Should we get in the workshop?
In the workshop.
Alright. Well, let me finish my smoke and have my fat. What's he doing? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
He's just readjusting the light settings.
I was.
He's been walking around with it not recording.
No,
That's
it was.
fine.
It was.
Like when he done that time lapse but actually just took 2 photos.
I just did something similar. I did
we
like filming in time lapse.
Ah, what, the whole time? The whole time?
I think so.
I
So it's Turbo 400 is what we came to the conclusion of. Ricky climbs in there.
think we're just going to go Billy Big Balls and just send it straight in.
Oh, fuck me, huh?
New motor.
We had it dynoed. What did the motor make on the dyno?
Just over 330, I think.
You said 330.
About 330 with about, I don't know, 7,500 foot-pound of torque.
It's all the torque.
Yeah. What do you expect
300.
from a big American slug, I suppose?
Alright, we're in out of the
Blazing.
sun. Out of the sun. I can't remember what it was called.
And into the daughter. Not funny.
Now we can, what we can do, headers. Have a look at some headers.
Let's chuck them up. We'll slide the header up. We've got to clean up some wire in this side. Let's check the easy bank first.
But, good news, obviously it all fits on the engine mounts. Everything so far fits. This is good. What's this one like?
We just got to move some wire in
The
nonsense.
starter and the nonsense.
Starter
and all that.
and the nonsense and all that engine management rubbish there, Stan. We don't need that where we're going. We don't need roads.
Are you enjoying the build so far? Or not?
Yeah, I'm loving it, actually.
Right, well, make sure you press the like button and subscribe and ring the bell button. And oh, make sure you comment because we do enjoy reading the comments and they're normally quite funny.
Unsubscribe and end this pain, please.
We need the money.
We ain't got no money.
Anything else you want to add, Stan?
Yeah, my shoulder will be through the roof by now.
Yeah.
Right, pass me one of them headers, I'll sling them down through.
You're not gonna like this. The bent one.
They're all bent.
Bent one. No, he's on the chassis, mate.
Will it not come in through this hole though? Like in front of that chassis mount? And then back round, or am I talking for lumps? I think I'm talking for lumps.
Yes, mate. The bottom arms are too mounted in the wrong place.
Are you saying they're not going to fit?
Not quite yet.
Alright, I can break off in there.
Yeah, nice. I'll play a soulful tune.
How's that?
Lovely.
That's gonna be nice. I hurt myself.
Yeah.
But it was worth it because look how nice that is. Whoa! There he is, Dan.
Got it.
Fuck off, bit of regulate. We got some warranty on 200 Lewis, some rubber shooting dice, so I said, let's do this. The trouble we got here is, Stan, is I think the Nate Dog and the G-Child were in need of something else.
Fuck me.
What's wrecking trouble?
You want some cash manifolds, Free?
We haven't got no big block cast manifold.
I can just about see it. Show me where you're going to cut. Alright. Give it a go.
Oh
Lovely.
no, they won't twist because of that one.
Give her a fucking bending then, Charles.
Some serious bending.
Yeah.
Can I try and bend it? You try and bend it.
Yeah.
Sure, isn't it?
Got a bigger one? Yep. Oh yeah.
Two bottom on then?
Yeah.
Right, that's bottom on.
So that's the left hand bank fitted.
Cool. They look mint, mate.
There's the right hand bank
Oh,
fitted.
do they look really good from up there?
They look perfect.
Yeah. Do you want to pass your camera down?
This way.
Ah. So there, there are the headers. That one's he's had a slight tweak to get past there, and these, well, they're nice as well, aren't they?
They look at. Oh, hang on. Where's the rest of your?
There's-
How are you gonna go from there
To there. You're happy with that, aren't you, Ricky?
The flexi.
Oh, put all the flexi stuff all the way.
Put the flexi off the headers.
Tomorrow, what are we doing?
Right, the truck originally started out injection. Correct. Yes?
Yeah.
Right, started out injection. Dual point injection. The English call that single point injection because we didn't have V8s. Single point injection you used to find on your Nova and your Corsa way back in the day. Basically a throttle body, one little weird injector. A lot of them early ones run at 1 bar. I'm praying this run at around 3 bar, what we would call normal multi-point injection pressure. Right. If it doesn't run at 3 bar and it is at 1 bar, we have the pump and the regulator that was accompanied with this guy to start with. Alright, you with me?
Oh,
With
fuck
Once
me,
we got
yeah,
our
I'm
fuel
with you
pressure
there.
sorted, because, hang on, wait there, because we haven't actually introduced why we want so much fuel pressure. Wait! Because we're on the 4-barrel injected sniper kit, the Holly kit.
Yeah.
It's not a carburetor. That's that's what the Americans call injection. Hang on. Do you remember about 187 years ago, the Japanese, Apexi, invented something called the Power FC?
Oh yeah, I remember
With
the Power
hand
FC.
controller.
Yeah, with the little Game Boy.
All right. Well, in recent years, the Americans cottoned on. Here's our Tamagotchi. That's our handheld. Basically, when you put this on, you put, oh fuck me, I forgot. Have we got a slug to put in the exhaust? Shit, you cut the headers off. We need to put a lambda sensor in.
We'll just wedge one in, straight in the end.
Oh, what, do just pick one of 8 cylinders?
Yeah.
All right.
We want
like a pokey thing to poke that up round there.
What are we looking at now?
Well, basically, what we've realised or decided after just having a discussion about it, that the sniper's not going to work without the
O2 sensor.
The O2
In the
sensor.
exhaust.
So as you can see,
You've put a screamer pipe on.
I've added a screamer pipe with one sensor in it because it says you can use it off of one if you need to, and I couldn't be bothered to take it off to weld all the way around, so I've boshed a load of foil tape around half of it, and that's going to give us enough of a reading, isn't it?
I think what it said is if you're a complete shithouse in the instructions and you can't get it in the collector, one's better than nothing.
I like at the party. I'm going to put one more piece of foil tape on. If you double them up, that's strong.
Well, anyway, you bolt this on, you check what fuel pressure you got, whether 1 or 3 bar. We'll bolt it on, we'll set the fuel pressure. You plug this in, and you basically hit a couple of things. Do I live on planet Earth? Yes. All right. What is atmos pressure? Well, planet Earth pressure. Do you run on petrol? Yes. How many cylinders do you have? 8. Are you sure? Yes. Fuck me, you're mapped. Fire up, mate.
Fully mapped.
And that's your Tamagotchi.
Right. All I really wanted to know is what we were doing tomorrow. I didn't want to know all
Well,
of
that
that.
was
but-
first thing. We need to sort our fuel pressure out. All
Yeah.
the rest we can slap together. We don't particularly need.
So today's job is we're going to do a tug-of-war layer. We're just going to fit the alternator and everything. So we've just drilled out the pulley because it's the only one we could find to fit that will match those belts. And then we need to get the carb and everything on and try and get the rad and that in. And that's what we're doing, isn't it, basically? Get the prop on.
Fire up. We got a problem.
What?
This runs at a bar. Fuel pressure.
Bar? Yeah.
We're gonna have to have a tank out.
Oh, you've checked it?
Yeah, you just check. Yeah.
You would have thunk they would have put a hatch in the bed, wouldn't you? You could have them out.
I'm surprised that we haven't put a hatch in the bed, to be honest.
They missed a trick there.
Oh, fuck this off down the side. We can work on it out there. That's gonna be a lot nicer for me.
Let's have a look at all that nastiness. I just want to do a burnout. And he's making it into this long-winded operation.
Operation.
That's why I'm doing this big smoky burnout. Do you reckon these has more tread on the ground than the Julie? Wondering who's going to have more grip in the tug-of-war.
Yeah.
Because that's quite a lot of rubber on the ground. Whilst he's messing about with the fuel pump back there, I'm just going to have all the air con rad out because it's
Better suited for yours?
it's pretty bad.
He watch him suddenly change his mind, mate. I've eyed up that aircon.
I thought so.
Yeah, I'm looking at it at the minute, and you've got to have like all the front panel out. But I'm gonna have them off.
Just leave it there.
Now get them the right way, get some airflow
Yeah.
for the big block.
It's looking pretty involved, mate.
No, this isn't involved. Yeah, you take that. Now we can get the air con rad out. Sack all that nonsense off. We have run into a slight problem, which we kind of thought yesterday, but it's become more apparent today. There's a box of bolts missing. Bobby, do you want to say anything about the box of bolts that's missing? Basically, we can't find it, and we thought we'd get round it because there were the gearbox bolts in there and a few other bits, but we realised that the caps for the prop are also in that box, and it's a bit tricky. We've got a load of Chevys here, but not big enough to fit that. But we then just remembered, got the Blazer over in the car park.
Your daily driver.
The Daily.
Oh, yeah, fucking right, yeah.
There we are, look, Stan. We're happy with that, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to be back on track.
Starting to wire bits up in this, guys. Or
Yeah, we're just going to try and get that EFI on. Shut the rad in, that should be fairly straightforward. Now I've said that, it won't be straightforward.
Yeah.
And then we're pretty much there. We got a list of stuff we need to order and buy, you know, to go back through and sort out. Yeah, some of the things we've done aren't quite, I would say, factory finish. So we've got a list of bits to order, but this is going to be good enough just to do a burner, isn't it?
Yeah, something
Pretty much there.
I wouldn't want on my car or a customer's car or a dear friend's car, but it belongs to Dave Bastard. He can fuck off.
Okay, Stan. It's not actually the same weekend anymore. We're running into a slight problem. The fuel pump that we wanged down in there was pushing like 3 psi.
No, 2.
2 psi when we powered it up.
You put the airline in a tank and it made 4 psi.
So we knocked it on the head and went home because it was hot. So we've had the tank back out. We put another pump in there. We've just primed it up. It made 45 psi now. So we're just going to do the last few bits we were going to say we'd do before. Put some water in it, nip up some wires, and then we should be ready to fire up. And it's a little bit cooler now. It's not 100 million degrees anymore, which is nice. So we'll get outside in a minute and do a burnout. Could have fobbed it off as the same weekend, but we thought there'd be some keen eyes out there and they'd snow. You'd snow, wouldn't them?
Well, the Mercedes isn't there now.
Yeah. And Ricky Bobby's happier.
Cooler.
You're never gonna be cool, mate. You're tuning. I want to see what the secret.
What I'm tuning, alright, setup, engine displacement, 454. Have you watched this, Charles? This is hilarious. This is number of cylinders.
8.
That's us. Regulated return. Idle RPM tire. Yeah, that do. Rev limit.
Pump that up.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
12,000.
No, let's not. No.
Well, we don't want
That's
to
on the limit. Alright.
That'll do. Correct that.
Okay.
That's map.
Mapped.
So do I fire it up?
Yeah.
I don't even know how.
Oh. That wasn't me.
Hey?
That wasn't me.
Alright, give it another go.
Someone else turned it off. What?
He said kill it.
Ah, that's what I thought he said.
Yeah, I know the problem.
What did he say?
I know the problem.
She's only priming.
Oh, what? And then just cut it out?
Yeah.
Right. We'll fix this little issue and then we'll drag her out and we'll stop wasting all your time because it's going on forever and we'll do the tug-of-war with the Julie. Alright? Or not?
Yeah, I suppose.
You could answer. Yeah.
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah.
Right, thank you. Someone answered.
Yeah. Everyone's fucking moody today. Barely even hear it.
Right. Let me see if we got any backwards gears.
Oh.
Here we go. Those brakes are not very good. What? Roll them on. Roll them up. Roll them up now. Roll them up.
It does do a burnout.
Does it do a burnout?
I think so,
I didn't
yeah.
notice if we done a burnout or not.
How's them brakes?
Terrible. You ready for a tug-of-war, mate? It's nice, man. I reckon if we bring the Julie round, we'll just do it right here. Do you think? Sam?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Send
Oh,
her in
no.
That'll
Do you
be long
reckon?
enough, won't it? Over there?
No.
No, it won't. Shall I go get the Julie and bring it round?
Yeah.
We need to mark the floor and we need to mark the rope.
No, I'm just gonna stop when I go for the gate.
You ain't going through the gate, mate. I'm going this way.
Where am I attached to?
The handle.
Just round the number plate.
What's doing there, Stan? Getting nice frame camera angle around. Look at that. That's gorgeous, isn't it? What a shot, look at that. What are them two fuckers doing?
Gladiators, are you ready?
And then we walk forward. Now you carry on.
No, not particularly.
I'm ready to go.
Come on then, you prick.
Who's going on what whistle?
Huh?
Who's going on what whistle? I love that what you've done.
Oh, you will go on my first whistle.
When do I go?
On the second whistle.
Arthritis.
Here, stand.
Yes!
Yeah, go for it.
No! I think you won! Oh no. I think you won that, mate.
I can't see anything.
No can Summerton.
Where's the line?
Did we move that far? I didn't think we moved very far. I was going to pull him all the way around.
Holy shit!
I win!
Who win? Which one were you in?
That one, I win!
I was in that one! Went over
Victory, oh, there we go.
Hello.
Hello there, mate. What could possibly bring you to these parts?
What's going on? I just smelled something really dodgy. I thought someone what's happening?
Alright, we just do filming for our YouTube channel.
Right.
And we done a burnout in the yard.
Well, we've just put a big block Chevy in this pickup, and that one's a big block Chevy. There's only one way to find out who was the biggest.
It was this one.
No, I just smelled the smell. I saw some smoke. I didn't know if anyone was around here trying to set fire to something.
We were, both of our trucks.
Yeah, I was around here for something else, but anyway, we're all good.
Cheers, brother. Thank you very much.
Well, not really. We need some tyres.
Oh, yeah, there was some cuts. Win by stand. What is?
Point out centre point-ish.
Yeah?
Yeah, 6 foot.
6 foot. Smashed you, mate.
Nailed it.
A little bit of cheating going on. All right. Your pickup point is higher than mine. You're lifting the ass of my truck up, unloading the weight. You're
Either fucking way, I won. Fuck.
Hang on a minute.